ke Joint Action Committee ke waktu ki try trok bat ki nongnya trok nakathan Janti Hills kalawan man kendo yuba singa bahalang dhar badi sembut menteri dang ba bat menteri badi pe jakatna transport ke sarkar Meghalaya jingwan man kendo kalong bat pensengo ban ketu ya ke sarkar pelat ya ke ke scheme bakarpang bertip kum ke special one time settlement nabantam penbai penthamai biang ki kot kisla jongki kali brak slamba buan ki try kali khamtam ki baduk bat kibaduna kayo kakot kimla ban penthamai ya ka permit ne ka fitness certificate bat ban seal ya ki khajana ne ka tax takadaw jing kedu hakisnan blalet
Somyo SNS ayo spokesperson jong GEC jong Artli Kiseng kepada jong East Janti Hills District pat jong West Janti Hills District niwan hane ban kerpat minister padon prom jongi kapoin kepadon kame kadai nang bentaga concession dan bentagi tax bagindai ban seal ya ka sarkar ya ki kali ibon balai yapkot nang report i minister kular ini banira penyingkar pelak yai and plus na ka benta ka jingha bar ka jing dei kam lang bat mangi bar kisim factory bagan yai baik bagan yai ganti ila kular ini ban puat kata galak ganti bagin poi sak ta ka thong ha ka jing kit jingba daga bay yai ganti klem kono kono ka jing dawa ka ban persnio sulti siking lane ka ban hala lane ka ban demand daga ba khangi kali ni wan ron kreni i daga badan ko dong brom mi la snap ke pesngo jungi ni kermen skem bat ni shania heisa sing phalang dhar deputy chief minister jungi banagi porsche ke por komba i laju yarap yangi de ki phausin ni khimilunti bagani artri kam ki mat bani wan rai i mataga singru kin poi chaka thong jogi job kublesibo i district na East Janti ban West Janti group jungi atrop kedi jong ka bakit baba yaga kya kason in a simple term we are the transporters of the cement and all the available good and products which is available from our boat to our district.
Tikum belum mata beri makan kekit kebak kekit iga kekit ya DJP atau kadang em ka nuka ting bom ya suci bot ting kiwe bat kilo nama idan ba kiran kilo tuan segi ban
si ban ya kan thok pramangi nim justna dikata mo bangin ong uwe babha uwe babi jude ban pen kata we are here as an educated people. We will follow the system and in what the galat galanti ka babha om de ban yak daukti we nim justna dikata ban ka daukti o tei une kane katai we are here for a purpose and the purpose is for the benefits of our people naga banta ka brio jungi ki khai ki khantam ki panar jungi badan stay ki badawa ya ka jinsha ka bedi ka de banyo namar bro ki mat ki mata ki mi na station hi so jintia hi tingi kimi lanti ba ya ka bedi ban le ngin le andai ban ya ka dokti iwe be ngin nom dalale ki nom tre at the present moment we are so proud to announce through the big contribution of this present NPP government lamba isa sing mahadar but isa prestone yaga previous meeting ya baladet we are very happy yaga rate bala provide and ni dang kami nanti ba kane ka rate kan yan be chikmat lane da don kano ka change ru da ka bayastu jumut lang ka government but mangi ginong kai pateng kinong kinong ba ni kloi ban yawat ya kita gila di ban koi saka jing ha jing biat saka jing yo dong jong ki kam ki jam jungi boro bombun de ni muan de sene ni hun and ni dang expect ni wan sini om no mata kata don ni wan sini mata kasi na ka banta ki kot kali na ka banta ka case ka badon ba fa don ba challenge om no mata kata dor ya ka dor ngala om lupa pi mene wi thang ni ai khle shi ajar ngu ya kan ni sarkar ka badon manta na do chief minister badon rom jungi kam tam isar preston sar samhalang jungi bari us im jong jentia jungi we alam letingi we are so proud to have a leader like him who give us time at any moment, any time. We are very proud to say that we have got a very good heart minister, which is very accessible and a very helpful person. Kajuk pemandai, bangiyai, da kulom, but the register. Mentaga de kaprathay online. Bon kibri jungi sigi ste ki than jintia jungi, kidang don ki jing duna, habawat you au bir kim nang reh de kidong kali. Mostly mentaga government kala provide in a very systematic way. Yagi manang start kala kadai ka jing rap ka jing mentaga bubune. Namar they send reminder they nagi por kila ai alert tang bobon ki prolog jungi ki kali stay kim danang man pule puthi kim danang man pet bhai ko isla ta ka daw dengan labs and especially naga banta ka penalties ni wan ban kan ne na da feel kali si singir ko ju san banair ka ju So we came here to approach the government for special consideration, and we hope, and we know, and we trust, but this government will do something for us. Bani ka bang si ai kata kan niamo, ngila I kam, ngila I ba nadu sano ngila ya ki kam gijam, nadu popoy kan sarkar. We have got so many facilities. You can see with your own. Welcome to our place. Most ki jaka gi sulok gi lenti gi singking gila kham he kham suk ki dai barjongi kham yo penyat benyen ka basuk simo. Om ko mun swa the piyak na jwa si Shillong, you'll find so many potholes. Ya bamanta you can sit, relax and drive.
Pilang mata kemki kita pai.
See, the system bakalalong you are holding a mobile right now, which we are dealing with technology. But previously we don't have that, right? So these days, kalalong go pakapor ba kapatay bro kawi kalay update. So Gibriyo Jongiro, we also want them to be updated, but we have a special request through the government. Ya katu ka penalties, but katu ka fine ka barim, bagan don ka air ka ba kajingerap nakaliyong sarkar kung ka scheme, lene ka subsidy, lene one-time settlement for all those lapsed documents.
Pilang mata kung bakit no tayo kini penalty sibuk lah dari si benar kung bakit no tayo.
See boss, dia kata I'll tell you very straightforward in front of press and media. Kadai ke department kapan impose penalty day mangi ni day tang kinang kali ka kamram jungi kadai bansio. They impose, I cannot go to the department and inquire and I do anything. We just wait for the penalties. Namar kat chong ka system ka company juga government nagmata jungi.
Em lo ka cinta wajib kini.
There are some penalties, but the feel chisniru kadai ka juga fine, the feel shibnai kadai ka juga fine, the feel san banar kadai ka juga amount. So we want to, we request and we hope that it will be done, but there should be some one-time settlement that kawayarap ini in all the parameters. Day tang namataga penalties but slim under new permit. Day tang namataga penalties but slim under new road tax. Day namataga penalties but slim other documents. Yek don't come. Yek pamanta. We have high hope on this government, and I am sure that something good will happen to us. Ka revenue kabon bumi kadai nangi station ini, and a gentle reminder, pagkakakit ka ba ni transporter ng ilang kung upodlom Jonglei State. Dangikit ni ba kar income Jonglei State ka kiyo. So through the transport means and ways, we contribute a lot to the growth